Yeah. It's good you all, good you and Stephen came. Actually, what happened? I was almost ending because there was no one, only myself. So I was ending it after I completed 1 hour. I was ending it, but then Ellen May, she came on, and she's been watching and watching my videos the whole day. She's been watching and then commenting on it and all. So she came on an angel channel of hers. So she came, and so uh, I said, "Oh, good, you're here at least." So I carried on talking, and then Stephen came, and then you came, and uh, so at least it's carried on. So I was saved from ending it. So I keep looking at the analytics now, and I find like it's maintaining at the top. You know, uh, Not many, just 6 people at the moment. First it was maintaining at 4 people, and now it's maintaining around 6 people. So it's good at least, So that's why I said let me carry on, no problem. I can always have dinner later. I can start my casting after this, and then I will have my dinner. I've already prepared my casting in the morning. I kept everything ready, videos ready, thumbnail is ready, everything. I just have to post it. I'll start it, and then I can go for dinner. So no problem. Um, as long as the live stream is carrying on well, it's okay. I look at my analytics and go according to that. Should I stop it or should I just continue or what to do? Views are not that many. I've just got 18 views, 18 views, not much. But watch hours are around 6 hours. Uh, Watch hours are around 6 hours, and I've been for 2 hours. I've been on, and I've got 6 hours watch hours. It's good because I need watch hours. My watch hours are going down rapidly. It's going down rapidly. It was 5.9k. It was 5,900 in January. 5,900, and now it has come to 4,700. So I've lost 1,200 watch hours. I've lost in this 6 months, 5 months. 6 months it started. So I've lost. So if I can lose like that in 5 months, I may lose again another 1,000. I'll come down below 4,000. Then that's bad. I cannot go below 4,000. In the last 365 days, I should maintain 4,000. In the last 365 days, I should maintain 4,000 watch hours to remain in the monetization thing. So yeah, it's come down to 4,700. So I don't know when it will pick up, because before I used to do a lot, right? A lot. But some months I didn't do a lot. Like last year, June, July, and all, I didn't do a lot. So at some stage it should pick up. That's why I don't want to do too many now, because later on, if I cannot do, then again my hours will come down. So if I maintain it around 4, 5, 4, 6, continuously, that will be good. That's why I didn't do live streaming so many weeks. 2 weekends I didn't do live streaming. Today I said I will do this weekend. I feel like to talk to people. And then I couldn't get the link. Because yeah, I couldn't get the link because